This is a startup on Ozzy'S motor. Been a long time coming, but it's running. This has been a long project. This truck here was my friend's dad's truck. Started his business with it. It's 1970 C10. He sold it to somebody about 20 plus years ago. Bought it back a while back, and the truck was totally destroyed. Went from 6 lug to 5 lug disc off of a newer 87 pickup. Upper lower control arms, heavy duty springs, suspensions all been redone. The rear did an axle conversion. It's going to have disc brakes, and currently waiting on the third member, posi third member, and 373 gears. Body is kind of rough, but we have doors and another cab for it. So eventually this truck's gonna be nice. Nice driver. Went with power disc brakes, front and back, and next is bodywork and paint, which, like I said, it needs a lot. But mechanically, this thing is awesome. We're gonna start it up, see what happens. Here we go. Little bit dusty. Little dirty, but this is here helping me. There you go. That's Ozzy's truck running.